student, in today's lecture of assembly drawing, that is lecture 8.2, we will study how to draw the sectional front view of a drilling jig with the help of the three-dimensional figure. Now let us understand the parts and a common contact line. The first question, that is, it is a vertical assembly. Vertical center line is common to all the parts. Vertical center line is common to all the parts. And this is the first part, second part, third part, fourth, and these are the fasteners that are attached. This is the bush. Now, if you look at this picture, this line, this surface, and this surface, this line should be overlapped here. This line and this line, vertical center line is common. Again here, this line of the stem and this line of this jig plate should be common. That is, I will give 1 here name. Here will be 1. It is inserted 5 mm here. If I give the number 1 in here and 1 here, 2. This is the second 2. And draw the same figure. And here is latch washer, the position. Now we will draw the. Now this is the first part, that is base plate. This is the front view. This is the top view. This is, I think, so is the third angle method. In our first angle method, this will be the front view. It will be above XY line. This will be the top view below. Only circles are observed in the top view. It is a cylindrical portion. Remember, base plate is cylindrical portion, and it has a shape, and it has a step diameter of this is the 110 mm. What is its side? 20 and 156. Just I will draw the vertical center line is common. I will first complete body. This is diameter 156, total height 20. Again the top portion, opposite portion first you have to mark. This is the diameter 110 mm, 20 mm below, that is height. We have completed the outline. Here a bore is drilled of, what is the depth? 5 mm. What is the diameter? 60. This diameter is 60. This bore is drilled here. And here are the 3 holes as you have studied yesterday. At a diameter they are given. What is the length here? Piece circle diameter is 40. So at 20 mm distance, mark a center line. Here portion is given to fit the this is the center line, and these are the end. Hole and counter bore is created, and tapping, 2 lines you have to draw here. Tapping, that indicates threaded portion to fit this screw head and this screw. Some portion of the screw is in the base plate. Now this is the 1 number we have given, 1. Center line is common. This is 1 and this line is 1. So just match these lines and draw the same figure. I will draw the same figure here. Look it at here. This is the 1 line. Here I am drawing. What is the total height? 110 mm. What is total height? I will take 110 mm opposite to this face. From here 110 mm, I will draw a line What is the diameter? The diameter is 54 mm at the top. Now, what is the total length from the base? That is 25. This is 25. Okay. and this is a total 11. At the 11, what is the diameter? 50 mm. I will mark at 11. I will take the distance 11 mm. I will mark a 50 mm here and here, 25, 25. I will just draw the inclined line here. Now this line is continued. This is only 25%. What is 54 diameter is for 25%, 25 mm. And this 50 mm diameter is for the remaining portion. Just we have completed the outline. A hole is continued, hole with the tapered internal threading is continued. What is the height? That is the 25 mm, total height 25 mm from this base plate, 25 mm. We have to continue the hole. The tapping is performed here. Two center line will be obtained. That is, two lines should be drawn because it is the internal threading. That screw is fitted here. Now at the top portion, to fit the stud, a M20 stud is fitted. This M20 stud is fitted. What is the total length of threaded portion, internal threaded portion? That is 54 mm. Just I will draw by taking 10 mm, 10 mm. What is the length? 54. I will draw the two line. In this way, we have completed the second part. Now, this is the third part, that is the jig plate. We have to decide the vertical center line is common. Where to fit this jig common contact line, we have to take it. Just it is of 25 mm. So, this will be the common contact line. And this line. 3, 3. Here I will name the 3, 3. Here I will name the 3, 3. And just I draw the same figure. First I will draw this line. What is the diameter? What is the diameter? That is, piece circle diameter is 160. What is total diameter? 216. Here a central hole is drilled. What is the diameter of that hole? 54. That 54 S7. 54 S7 is fitted here. Okay. And this is the diameter 216 mm total diameter. Here again the hole is drilled to fit a pin, and here again the holes are created to fit the bush. That is a 25 mm diameter. Here is the 6 holes, 25 mm at piece circle. This is the piece circle diameter. Okay, I will draw the same figure. First I will draw the common contact line here, same. Just have completed outline, 216 diameter. This is the piece circle diameter center line to fit the bush. What is the diameter? That is 160 mm. What is the bush diameter? External diameter where the bush is fitted. It is 25 mm. What is the internal diameter of the bush? That is 18 mm. Now, here the hole is created, that is of 54 mm. That hole is created here. Same hole is continued. Now, what is the diameter at here? Here the screw is fitted. The screw is fitted at this portion. This screw 9 mm screw is fitted. This is the threaded portion. This is the helve. again here, that is the diameter 17 mm, and that is M12. The diameter 70 mm, and that is of M12. This is the front view. What is the total length here? If you observe very carefully, this is the radius 28 plus 42 plus 33. 28, 42 and 33. This is the total length of this washer. Here is the center distance. What is the gap between the two center distance? 42 mm. Now we will match. This is the center line common, vertical center line common. We will take the distance, total distance, that is 33, 42 and 28. Here I will draw, this is the common line. Now this will be the common line. Here I will take, this is the 4, 4 common line. And just I will match it at here, 4, 4 top portion. And here I will draw the latch washer. I will draw the latch washer here. Okay. This is a 12 mm height latch washer. Here is the extension of the hole. Here there is a fitted, that is swell. Now we have to draw the nut. Now we will fix the stud here. The stud is fitted at this portion. Here we are showing the two center lines because it is threaded portion. This is the total stud we have fitted here, and we have to insert the hexagonal nut. Here is the hexagonal nut. This is the front view. This is total 35, half of 35 and half portion here. They are added here. What is total height? 20 mm. This is the head. This is the internal hole. This dotted line will show the internal hole. It is threaded portion. Here we have to fit the head, and this whole assembly is packed. Now we have completed the sectional front view of the drilling jig. Now we will draw the section line. First part we have completed. Now we will move for the second part in the opposite direction. The common contact line, we have to cut it here now. In opposite direction. This is the latch washer. I have drawn it in the opposite direction. In this way, we have completed the sectional front of the jig plate. Now I will give the numbers. Part 1, Part 2, Part 3. This is the screw here. 4. Stud. 5. 6. 7. This is a 8 and this is a 9. We will give it that number in the top view. Now we have to give, this is the figure that we have completed. Now we have to give the dimension in this fashion. Here are 3 screws M6. How much long? Total length is 50 mm. Here is a stud 54 mm. Total length is 54 mm. We have drawn. Here is the nut. The same dimensions we have to provide it here. That is 60 mm. Some part is here. That is a screw. This is the sectional front view. In the next lecture, we will study how to draw the top view of this drilling jig. Okay, thank you.